How's it going, everyone? I wanted to do a test between all these multi-tools. Phillips head screwdrivers. See which one I like the best. I have a variety of different screw heads, and I'm gonna use my impact driver just to, screw it each time. I'm gonna fast forward each one, and afterwards I'm gonna show you which one I like the best. We'll check out the tools I have. Never really seen this in a video. So I got a SOG PowerLOCK Phillips screwdriver. I got the Leatherman Free P4, much beloved. I got the Leatherman Rebar here, Coyote Tan. Leatherman Surge as well. I threw in the Leatherman Crunch. A lot of people love the Crunch like me. Brought in the Leatherman Supertool. A Gerber, just wanted to do that. And last but not least, the Victorinox. So this is a SwissTool. So we'll see which one I like the best. I'm gonna impact each one. I actually didn't bring the wave because the Surge is pretty much the same, with the screwdriver. So I'll just use the Surge for this test. But let's see how it goes. I'm gonna bring a chair over just because it's gonna take a while. So in. Let's see. Tools. We'll start with the Surge. See how that goes. Very nice. Nice. There's a stripped one. It's kind of hard to get in there, but it's working. It's kind of stripping it a little more. It's hot from the drill. See, the head is very stripped on that, but it did it. This one, not bad at all. The long screw. Different screw. See how it has the, you could do either or, Phillips or the other one. This one's probably the best right here. With the Surge. There we go. Does pretty good. And so that one did good. This one's probably the best with the Surge. Here's a little one. Not too bad. So the Surge did really well. This is a small one, a little bit stripped too. Surge did well. I'll put this away. Put them back in. We'll see how. Next one. Here's the Leatherman Free P4. You can see it's kind of flat 2D, kind of like the Wingman, not my favorite. Let's see how it does. Kind of rolls as you do it. Here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit better. like that, so you guys can see better. Yeah, kind of. It's not my favorite, like I said. It just doesn't get in the slot too good. Not as good as the Surge at all. There we go. It took forever. You can see all that metal shavings, how it stripped it. Not the best, like I said. This one's not too bad. I just don't like the 2D as much as, you know, 3D. This one came out pretty good. Let's try the little one. This should be easy. Yeah, no problem. No problem. And the big one. This one's the easiest so far with every tool. It's got pretty decent long reach too, which is nice. So that did pretty good. And this one I'm a little nervous. It's kind of stripped. Damn it. Yeah, it's like, you see it's stripped there. It's not a good test on that. You can see it's stripped. Alright, I'd probably give this like a C. The Leatherman P4, Free P4 screwdriver, not my favorite, like I said. Let's drive them back. Let's try the Leatherman Rebar. Kind of like the Supertool 300. Does pretty good. It's not moving around. This is probably my favorite, how it's 3D. Then very easy. You can get a better control on it too. Oh, this is actually moving it around. You can do it like that too. It's a long fucking screw. And it takes forever. Shouldn't have got as long screws. This one's not the best on this. It's like a screwdriver slash Phillips on that. Here's the stripped one. Not too bad once you get in there. I got that out. See how stripped it is. Here's the SOG PowerLOCK. I like this design, the 2D/3D. Pretty cool. See how that does. Not too bad with the stripped one. Kind of rolling a little bit. Not bad. This one should be the easiest. The longest too. It doesn't do too bad. Not too bad. I'd give it like a B. PowerLOCK. Let's try the Gerber. Old trusty Gerber. Got a small reach. Thing I don't like about Gerber is it hits it when you're using it. I don't like that. It's beefy. Beefy screwdriver though. And it's working pretty good. There we go. Not bad. Not bad. Seems like most are stripping from this. Yeah, I just don't like that. You're using a lot, that's gonna hit you when you're using it. There we go. Not too long of a reach either. So that's the Gerber MP600. Did pretty good. I give it like a B-. Let's do one of my favorites, the Leatherman Crunch. See how it does. 2D design to 3D right there. Wow, does pretty good. Not gonna lie. It's getting it done. And if it's stripped out, I can use these adjustable grips. Yeah, this works good. This doesn't get in the way as bad as the Gerber. There we go, and here's the stripped one. Not bad. We're gonna sweat it out. Crunch, I'd probably give a B+. Did good. Oop. Did good. We're good. Let's throw the Victorinox in here. SwissTool. See how this does? It's got basically a 3D, very buff design, very different, unique. Oh yeah, that does good. Come on. It did good. A little metal on the shavings. This one does the best on the combo. And the stripped. This is gonna take a while, I'm sure. Bad. Probably give it like a B+ as well. Last but not least, just the regular Supertool. See how it's 2D, 3D? Let's try it. Wow. It's very easy. I like how it's round right here. Pretty comfortable. Works pretty damn good, to be honest. This one might be the most comfortable because of the roundness up there. It's not hurting my hand as much if I used it for a long time. This one actually does awesome. I think this might be my favorite, to be honest. Just very comfortable, and it's not stripping when I use it. It's got a long reach too. Yeah, I would give this like an A-. Supertool. So let's lay them out. I think this is my favorite, comfort-wise. Then the Rebar next. Not as comfortable. Looks like about the same, but it has the roundness over here, so See, it's different a little bit. See how it's rounder on this one? I would say this was an A-, B+ or so on the rebar. And we got Crunch did great. I would say that's like a solid B+. And you can put 3D bits, hex bits in there too. So just the versatility is amazing on these. Then I would say the Surge 2D I'm okay with. It did the job. I would give it a B. A B for the SwissTool, I would say. Very bulky, not as comfortable using it. Actually, yeah, the Gerber I would give a B-, just because it hurts when you use it, to use it for long periods of time. Very short too. B, maybe a B-, C+, B-, somewhere in there. This one did alright. I'd give it a B- as well. Nothing too special and nothing too bad on this, the SOG PowerLOCK. And this one was probably my worst. The Free P4, I just don't like the 2D aspect of it, and it kept slipping. But that's my take on it. So I would say my favorite was the Supertool, then followed by the Rebar, the Crunch, Surge in the middle, SwissTool, then the Gerber and PowerLOCK tied, and last but not least the Free P4. Let me know what you guys think. What is your favorite multi-tool with a screwdriver, a Phillips one? Just curious. Never seen a test like this with Phillips. So, alright, let me know. Thanks. Take care.